welcome. It's Stacy. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. As you can see by the title, I will be reviewing an Amazon product. It's a hair product and it's this Allure Curling Iron 3-barrel crimp. I've heard a lot of raves about this one. I even have a friend who bought it and she loves it, so I'm like, okay, I need to try it. I need to see what the hype's all about. I don't own anything like this. I've actually never ever crimped my hair, even when it was in style back in the day. So this is gonna be a first. Like, I've never tested it out before. This is gonna be like a first impressions type of video because I don't even know how it's going to look. Also, I just uploaded a makeup tutorial showing you guys how to create this fall look. If you guys are interested in seeing that, I'll go ahead and link it to this video as well. I do have some of the information pulled up on my computer, which is why you're gonna see me looking this way a lot, because I will be reading off of some of the details that it has that I believe will be important to know. Alright, so let's go ahead and jump right into it. Like I said, it's by Allure. The logo is right here. It has a 1-inch ceramic tourmaline triple barrel dual voltage crimp. Okay, tourmaline is one of the best hot tools that you can get for your hair. It controls the frizz. It doesn't damage the hair as much, because let's be real, like, a hot tool is going to create some sort of heat damage to your hair. Whether you add heat protectant or not, it's still going to do some damage, but the purpose of adding heat protectant is so that you're adding some sort of shield to it to protect it. So yeah. Alright, so the price for this one is $34.99. It says the hair type is for frizzy hair, and I feel like they have that because of the tourmaline thing that I just said. You know, because it controls frizz, it makes your hair look really smooth and sleek. Like, it just makes your hair look really pretty, even if it like is not at the best shape or health. So it says it's meant for all hair types, short or long, thick or thin. It says it heats up fast, that it heats up from, it goes all the way up to 410 degrees Fahrenheit in just 60 seconds. Alright guys, so right off the bat, like looking at it in person, I like that it has the pink with the black. I like that contrast there. It does have that LCD in blue light right here, and then the temperature adjustments are buttons. It's all digital, so that's pretty cool. It does have a swivel cord, which is awesome. When you have a swivel cord, it helps make your hot tool last longer, or anything really that has a cord. If it swivels, it's less likely to mess up and, you know, stop working and stuff like that. So it's really great that it has that, and it has a, what is it, a tool holder where it wouldn't burn whatever you're putting it flat on. So that's nice. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and set it. Wow, I actually just noticed it's in Celsius mode. I haven't read the manual, so I don't know how to switch that back, but it says 210 is 410 in Fahrenheit, so I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna take my Hot Toddy Heat Protectant by Dry Bar, and it's a mist. Looks like this. This stuff, guys, it smells really good. Right now, I don't have anything in my hair except dry shampoo. And I do have it somewhat straight. It's not pin straight or anything, but see, I have a lot to work with. So low-key, I'm a little nervous to see how this is gonna look, because like I said, I've never crimped my hair before. So let me back up a little more. I'm interested to see how this is going to look. I'm just using a wet brush just to take out the tangles. I pretty much just plan on curling it how I would normally curl or straighten my hair. Okay, see, already I'm nervous. It is hot. Like, even whenever I started setting it, it starts to get hot down here too. Not to the point where like you have to worry about burning yourself, but you can like feel the heat like from right here. So it is hot, like hot. It has a big old clamp like this. I guess I'm not gonna do it too close to the scalp. Right there, maybe. Alright. I'm touching it so I can see if it's hot enough to start moving down. Do you guys count like how long you hold it, or do you do this what I do? I do this because usually whenever you can feel the heat through the hair, that means it's ready to let go. I have just found that easier for me because counting, like, everyone's hair is different. So far so good. Looks cute. Why do I feel like I'm holding this the wrong way? Let me know if I'm holding this wrong. I kind of feel like it's supposed to be like this. Alright, so that's the first one right there. Really freaking shiny. Do you guys see that? I went ahead and grabbed my Redken Shine Flash to use after, but I really don't think I'm gonna use it because it already looks super freaking shiny. I'm telling you, it's that tourmaline. When you have tourmaline as your barrel, or whenever it's made out of tourmaline, I don't even know how to say it, but whenever it's tourmaline, that's the best. It's the best thing you can get. I think I am using this wrong, but too late. Yeah, I really think I was supposed to have the clamp down here, so I'll probably flip it when I move on to my next section, and hopefully it doesn't make my hair look weird. Again, I've never crimped my hair, but I would assume, like, just going with the pattern, when I move it down, I just try to match it to the same wave as how it's already going, if that makes sense. But I mean, so far it's working out well. Like, I don't have any weird markings where they shouldn't be. I think I'm supposed to be doing it like, let me see. Yeah, like this, with it down. So I can barely get this, guys. I have really small hands. Like, my hands are tiny. Look at that. My hands are pretty tiny, so it's a little hard. It's a little hard for me to try to, like, grab the clamp thing with my thumb. Voy a quemar. I don't even know what I did. I pushed something. Okay. I think it's supposed to be like that, no? But then how am I going to touch the hair? Oh my god. Now this looks weird. I don't know, guys. Let me know how you're supposed to use this. If you have this, or if you use a hair crimper, let me know if it was this way or the way I had it originally. I probably had it right the first time. This is what I get for overthinking it. This always happens to me. I overthink things way too much and then make them overcomplicated than what they should be. I mean, it's still cute. Oh, I think it is like that. Let me, hold on, pause. Let's see if there's a difference from the top to the bottom. There's actually not really a difference. But because I want to see that visibility in order to see like where to place the clamp when I'm moving down, I prefer this thing on top, which it was probably right to begin with. But whatever. First impressions, first time trying it, so I think it's okay. What I'm noticing already too though is it does do it fast. Like, I really thought crimping the hair would take a lot longer, but no, like, it heated up fast. It's styling my hair really fast. No complications so far. It doesn't smell like my hair's burning. Like, have you guys ever smelled like it stinks. Like, when your hair's burning, it stinks. It smells bad. Then that scent is stuck in your hair. Look, my finger can barely. Oh. It's coming out. No. Okay. My finger can barely grab that clamp. You guys see that? Oh no. I think I lowered the temperature. Instead of waiting till the end, I'm gonna just call out the things that I noticed, because then I'm gonna forget by the end of the video. So off the bat, like I said, it's really hard for me to reach this clamp, but I don't think that's like a huge con, because I'm aware I have pretty small hands. Like, they're tiny. Like literally my kids' hands are almost as big as mine. Another thing is having the buttons right here is very easy for you to accidentally either turn it off or turn down the temperature. For me, I keep turning down the temperature, but by accident. My hand is starting to get a little shaky because like I said, my fingers like stretching to the max to try to reach this clamp. But I think maybe once I get used to it, I won't feel like it's difficult for me to push it or press it down. So yeah, I'm a little nervous with my bangs because of that, because I don't even know if I'm holding this right. So I hope they don't come out funky and then just ruin the whole look. But so far, look at that. Like, so pretty. It's really freaking pretty. You guys see this? I like this. I like this too. Like I'm touching this. It's a little hot, but obviously it's not burning hot like the barrel. So this is nice to have when you're trying to hold it, because another thing too, it's a little heavy. I don't know if it's because I'm not used to it, but it does feel a bit heavy. So it's nice to have this so I can hold on to the barrel and the weight, and it's not like straining my wrist or anything. This is like the good thing about having long hair. Like when it gets to a certain point, then you can just watch it from right here. All right, cool. Now, pretty sure this is gonna be my last one. I think in order to have it all uniformed, I'm just gonna do my bangs all together. I don't know if that's gonna be a mistake, but too late now. I'm nervous. Este se mira raro. Yeah, I don't even know where that belongs. You look like... Who are you with? Según yo. I wanted to do them all together and that one just poked out. So I'm just gonna do that one solo. I think the bangs look okay. Very different. Very different. So I rarely like to straighten my hair, guys. Like I like some sort of texture and wave in my hair. My hair is naturally, it's not pin straight, but it's straight. Like I used to have loose wavy hair, but I think after straightening it so much over time, when I did like it straight, it just lost its form. And then also by coloring it and everything, it just lost its form. But yeah, like I think that's why I'm liking the crimp look too, is because I rarely, like now, I don't know why, I just don't like my hair straight anymore. Like it's rare if I ever do it, and if I do it, it's because I'm either like in a hurry or I really didn't have time to do much to it. I'm a little worried that the two sides are not gonna be like lined up with how the pattern is going, like the waves. So I mean, so far they look even. This one is just already like it's wanting to just be done with it. Okay, all right, but yeah, you guys see all that shine? It definitely leaves you a lot of shine. This also reminds me of how your hair will look if you just left it in a braid overnight and took it out. See, like I don't know how I feel about my bangs, guys. I don't know. To me, my bangs look weird. Like usually whenever my bangs don't do what I wanted to do, you will see me with this style a lot. If you see me with this style, just know it's because my bangs did not want to do what I wanted them to do. What if I were to mess with my hair? So I like to flip my hair a lot, like from side to side. It's rare if I leave it in one, like in one parting. I have that habit to like touch my hair a lot. Okay, I think like that it looks better. The way I had it, like I think down the middle, it was just a little funky. And I think like this, it actually helps my bangs blend more with the rest of my hair. Alright guys, so my final verdict on this is I like it. The fact that it has the tourmaline that I mentioned, that's like one of the best type of barrels that you can use for your hair. As you can see, it creates a lot of shine. That's exactly why I wanted to try it, because I wanted to see for something so affordable if it was truly great for the hair and worth getting. I like that it has these little holders up at the top, so whenever you're actually holding it, there's a way for you to support it without actually burning yourself. I also noticed on the Amazon site, as I was reading you guys the details of this, there's like a package thing where you can buy like a glove, and I think it was like a heat, yeah, it's a heat protectant. So if you are scared of like using like wands or stuff like this because you really think you're gonna burn yourself, on Amazon they have like heat protectant or heat resistant gloves, not heat protectant, heat resistant gloves for you to wear on the opposite hand from where you're holding the hot tool to prevent that. So keep that in mind in case you are afraid of that. I have very few cons, but again, I think that's just me. The whole clamp thing, like it's a little hard for me to reach for if it's with my pointing finger or let alone my thumb, like my poor ass thumb. Look, if I hold it like this, look at that. No alcanzo. So that's another thing I have to get used to, but again, I think that's just me. I love how it has the holder, but this, I mean, for 35 bucks, I think this is pretty great. It heats up fast. It did a really good job at styling my hair. I have really long hair, so it did a really good job at styling it super fast. And with the holidays coming up, this would be a really great gift to give to someone. So I really recommend it. I'll go ahead and leave the link down below of this exact model in case you guys are interested in getting it, and I'll also include that little package thing that I just mentioned in a separate link in case you guys are interested in getting the glove and the heat protectant to use with this. But yeah guys, I mean, I think it looks cute. My bangs blend in a little better when I have it off the center, when I have it parted off the center like this, which is what I like. Even if I did use it wrong, like I kept saying throughout the video, I think it still looks pretty good. But yeah, alright guys, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to give it a like down at the bottom. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!